everybody, welcome back to my channel. Today's video is going to be a Rebdolls try-on haul. I had never in my life ordered anything from Rebdolls, so when they reached out to me and asked to send me 5 items to test out for you guys, of course I said yes. I was curious about what type of clothing they had, their prices, the quality, how the sizing is, so today I am going to show you the 5 things that they did send me and kind of give you my thoughts. Of course it's going to be a try-on haul so you get to see how it looks on my body. If you guys have any questions about the clothing, leave them down below. If you guys like the clothing or any other clothing they have on the site, they did in fact give me a 10% discount code. I will put that here, that you guys can use to get 10% off of your order. Without further ado, let's get into the try-on haul. The first item I picked out on the website was a black crop top that says hot mess. I love little graphic tees like this. You guys may have seen this actually on my Instagram. I just posted a picture of me wearing it. This is so cute. It's just a black, really well-made shirt. Very stretchy, great material. And in hot pink writing it says hot mess. It is screen printed on. I got this in a large. Let me get my paper here. I got this in a large because I don't like when my crop tops are super oversized because it makes me look like a big box. So I did size down and it was still really, really loose. So just for reference, I am a size 16 on the bottom and usually an extra large on the top. So even a large was a little bit big. I think that's a good thing though, because then more people will be able to fit into Rebdolls clothing, which is awesome. In case you guys didn't know, Rebdolls goes from a size 0 all the way to 32. So there is definitely a wide range of sizes that they offer, which I think is so amazing. I love that. Okay, so this was, like I said, the black crop top, and the price on that one was, let's see, Rebdolls Hot Mess Oversized Crop. That was $25. The next item I got is a really long cardigan, and it is this olive color, but I really like it because it has this like red stripe down the arm, so it's kind of sporty looking. It's like more unique than just a plain cardigan, and it is super long, which I absolutely love. I'm obsessed with long cardigans if you know me at all. This one I got in a 1X. Their tags kill me because they're so big. It just says do not remove, you can't return it if this is removed from the garment. But I think that's so funny, I love that. Okay, so let's see. This one, olive cardigan in a 1X was $23.02. So definitely a good deal on that. I'm excited to wear that in the fall. It's like we're in the fall, Nicole. You know what I mean. This next item is definitely something I've never worn before, but I want to start trying new items, like new and different, like unique things that I've never tried before. So when I saw this on the website, I knew it had to be mine. This is the Rebdolls Just Friends Overall Style Pants. So this is what it looks like. They are just black pants with 2 white stripes going down the side. This is the only part I was kind of worried about, is that I'm just not a fan of like these larger legs, but these are not like bell bottoms or anything by any mean. It's just like a straight leg, stretchy material pant, and it has these like overalls built in. Now, I got mine in a 1X. These pants are so comfortable, they fit so well. The only thing I'm going to say that it's kind of a bummer is that these straps are not adjustable. So the girl on the website kind of had the pants hit, you know, kind of like high-waisted pants. On me, I don't know if I have an extra long torso or what, but these straps are way too short for me, and the pants kind of hit me like way too high and it looks a little awkward. But I honestly am thinking of somehow like extending these straps because I really do love this. It's just different. I would wear this, first of all, that was $25.02. And then I also got this white crop top in a 1X also, 3/4 length sleeve. Actually, it's not even 3/4 length sleeve. It goes to maybe above my elbow. And this one, sleeve crop top, white crop top, $13.02, also in white. So I pictured those two things going together and being super cute. I just hope I can somehow extend these overall straps because, come on, this is a cute little outfit if everything, you know, works out with me extending those straps. So that is that. Okay, the last item that I picked from the website is actually a coat. Now, I am someone who doesn't have very many coats. I don't know why, I just can never find cute ones. It doesn't get super cold where I live, but I do like to have a nice warm coat for when it does get cold. I'm not a huge fan of like windbreaker type materials. It doesn't rain that often here. So this coat I saw on the site and I knew it had to be mine. It's a 1X. It's definitely a fall color. It's like a deep maroon color. It's coming up kind of brighter on screen. But it's made of like a fleece material. So it's stretchy, it's thick, it's warm, and it has the tie back, which I really like just to accentuate my waist a little bit. And this is the Dark Magic Fleece Belted Coat in Burgundy, and it retails for $49.02. So that is that. I just think this is going to be super cute with some skinny jeans and even like that white crop top. And then put this over it with some cute booties. Fall vibes. Okay, that was it for my Rebdolls haul. If you guys have any questions about any of these items or anything on the site, go ahead and leave it down below. If you guys would like to see more Rebdolls hauls, give me a thumbs up and leave a comment down below telling me just what your favorite item was. I want to hear from you guys. What do you guys think about those overalls? The strap needs to be longer, am I right? I don't know. Leave me comments down below. I love interacting with you guys in the comment section. Don't forget to follow me on Instagram because I will be doing more fall outfit pictures. That's my favorite time of the year to do outfit pictures for Instagram. But other than that, I think that is it, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.
Look, baby girl, you're so damn fine though. I'm trying to know if I can hit it from behind though.